Hey everyone, my name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property. Today we're looking at a 6-bedroom HMO with en-suites that we're converting at the moment. This is across 3 floors that we're doing the conversion. So 2 bedrooms on the middle floor, 2 bedrooms on the top, 3 bedrooms on the middle floor, and 1 at the bottom with a kitchen and communal at the bottom of the property. Now currently at the moment, you'll notice that we're pretty much nearly finished first fix. We've just got the door frames going in at the moment, and also we've got some plasterboard in that's just going up in the last bedroom downstairs. So we're about three days away from plastering, which is great. So I'm looking forward to getting the plasterers in here, and we're going to start the next stage of the actual build, which is going into plastering and then second fix, electrics, plumbing, and joinery. So what you'll notice over here in the bedroom is we've got obviously the red cabling over here, and because it's going to be a 6-bedroom licensed HMO, we're actually going to put the actual proper links fire system in the actual property. So we make sure that we obviously do that according to fire regs, making sure that we've got obviously the heat detectors and smoke detectors in the right places in the property as well, and also we've got the actual emergency breakers and emergency lighting that's needed. Now we do put emergency lighting in all our HMOs, even if they're not licensed, but in your 5 beds, etc., you don't have to put one of these fire systems in, okay? So we'll just put a hardwired fire system in the actual property, but not the actual fireboard, all right? But this we will do. Then we obviously got your normal wiring, so all your grey wiring, that's going to be like your lighting, it's going to be your switches, it's going to be your plug sockets as well. That's what you're going to find. It's called 3-core and earth. Okay, sorry, 2-core and earth. So you'll obviously have your neutral and your live, and you have your earth in there as well, okay? Which is great from there. So we've got second joinery happening as well. So we've got the door casings that still need going in. That's going to be done over the next 3 days. And once that's done, that means that we can actually go in and move forward on the plastering. Let's jump into the other bedroom, have a look at that. Okay, so we're currently in the 5th bedroom at the moment. We're still on the top floor. This is going to be a double bedroom, just like the other one with an ensuite. So we've got the ensuite over here, which is great. It's going to work out nice. Big actual ensuite as well. So I'm looking forward to it. We've got the shower tray going to my right, and we've got obviously the toilet to my left, and we're going to have basin just behind there as well. So it's going to be nice. It's not going to be too small. It's going to be just right for what we need it to be. And obviously tenants are going to like it as well. So what you'll notice as well on this wall over here, we've got obviously TV aerials, and we obviously got the wiring done for the TV that goes on the wall. So that means the bed is actually going to be over here. You'll notice over here what we'll do is we'll basically what's called dot and dab. So we'll obviously put plasterboard on there, but you just obviously put your obviously mortar on the back end of it, and then basically what happens is you just put it on the actual wall from there. So the plasterers will do that. Our joiners take care of all the joinery side of it, but the plasterers will actually dot and dab that wall and then skim over as well. Let's jump downstairs and have a look at what's going on there. Massive transformations from when you guys actually last looked at it. Okay, so currently at the moment we're in the actual hallway at the top of the floor. So this is going to be isolated for the actual fire escape. Okay, so we have to make sure that we've got all FD30 fire doors on every single room. But you'll notice obviously we've got the wiring for the fire alarms in here. So this will be a breaker on here. So if the event of a fire, basically can break the alarm, fire alarm will go off, and obviously there'll be sensors up in the roof as well, okay? But this is going to be a clear fire exit all the way down. So downstairs we'll obviously need to fireboard where we need to, but then also we'll actually make sure that we've just locked this off so it's safe, so everyone can get out of the building safely. Okay, so we're in the 4th bedroom at the moment. The 2nd bedroom is actually on the other side of the property to the rear. But what you'll notice here is we've got behind these walls, we've got the ensuite for the 3rd bedroom. And then we obviously got the entrance there for the ensuite for this bedroom over here. Okay, so the great thing about this is obviously the nice big ensuites, okay? They're not actually skimped as well. And the rooms are really great sizes for this property, and I'm really looking forward to making sure that this property is going to be one of the best that we have done, and the quality is just getting better and better with every single product that we do. Now, if you guys actually want to profit from UK property and you don't actually have the time to do it, okay, so you've got the capital to invest, but you certainly just don't have the time to do it, then what I encourage you to do is just head to our website and book in a free call with one of our team. If you want to profit from UK property and be able to do it from anywhere in the world, then book in a call with one of our team to see how we can help you move forward. We can see exactly what your long-term and short-term goals are and how we can get you started in UK property so you can profit from UK property with minimal time effort. Thanks very much for watching. My name's Nic Clark. Don't forget to actually subscribe to the channel and hit that like button as well. Otherwise, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, and you can actually ask any questions you do have, see what works we have got, and any progress on there as well. Otherwise, head to jenicproperty.com and you can book in a free call with one of our team. Thanks very much for watching. My name's Nic Clark, and I'll see you on next week's Refurb Wednesdays.